Drinking peppermint hot chocolate every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and potentially negative. It's important to note that individual responses can vary, and moderation is key in consuming any food or beverage. Here are some potential effects. Digestive benefits. Peppermint is often associated with digestive health. It may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. However, excessive consumption may lead to heartburn or worsen acid reflux in some individuals. Mood and relaxation. The aroma of peppermint is believed to have mood-enhancing and calming effects. It may help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Antioxidant properties. Cocoa, the main ingredient in hot chocolate, contains antioxidants that can be beneficial for overall health. These antioxidants may help combat oxidative stress in the body. Caloric intake. Hot chocolate, especially when made with milk and sweetened, can be calorically dense. Regular consumption without considering overall caloric intake may contribute to weight gain over time. Sugar content. Many commercially available hot chocolate mousse contain added sugars. Consistently consuming high levels of added sugars can lead to various health issues, including weight gain, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Hydration. If the hot chocolate is made with water, it contributes to your daily fluid intake. However, if it's made with milk, it can also provide additional nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Caffeine content. Cocoa naturally contains a small amount of caffeine. While the caffeine content in hot chocolate is generally lower than in coffee or tea, it's worth considering, especially if consumed later in the day.